today's recipe is heart-shaped chocolate chip cookie. We need 110 grams of butter, this is one bowl recipe. Take a large bowl. Now I am using my wooden spatula. This is fine. Creaming the butter, lighten the color. So this step is done. Next step is to add sugar. Add 40 grams of white sugar and 40 grams of brown sugar. So mixing of sugar is done. Now it's time to add an egg. Add vanilla extract. You can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 140 grams of all-purpose flour. Add half teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 10 grams of cocoa powder. Mix all these. Keep mixing until all the ingredients are well combined. Clean the sides. Now it's time to add chocolate chip. I've taken 50 grams of chocolate chips. So here goes chocolate. This is done. Now we have to refrigerate at least for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we will prepare our white chocolate. Chopped into small pieces. DIY cookie dough was in refrigerator for 1 hour. Now I have to prepare my heart-shaped baking pan. So this is the pan. To grease the pan, I am using mould butter paper. The amount of butter which was left on this paper is sufficient enough to grease the pan. So I have greased the sides as well. Take a butter paper, cut it according to the size of the baking pan. I've taken 1/2 of the cookie dough, flatten it. You can apply some butter on your palm because this dough is too sticky. Ensure that it is of equal thickness on all sides. So this is how you have to do the second layer of chocolate. A third layer. This is the other half of the cookie dough batter. Flatten it. It's time to bake. Cookie dough is completely baked. I am running the knife along the edges of the pan. In the center, press it, put some melted chocolate, diced strawberries,